What's up? A transformation of a 19th century to a 21st century fairy tale. And a germ that will take your kids from a school performance along to Hollywood. Maybe. For now, it gives them a fun plot to play with and a plenty of encouragement along the way. Illustrated in full color, with photos of the performing kids and the original monoprints, the book is documented on an extensive site www.onceuponskates.com. It includes demo videos, also on YouTube, the animated movie containing the apple, apple, juicy fruit, the iconic Apple song, and more, all of which informs kids' performance. Go online to order this groundbreaking work. Jumpstart your kids' performing bug and fun of creativity. Grab a copy of this limited first edition. You are investing in your kids' potential and this author-publisher's work, which seeks to develop it, your kids' potential, for life. I dedicate this to my mother, who invested her life in mine. Order at www.onceuponskates.com or amazon.com. See you there. Bye.